Carl Angelo Rosario. This is my video, Asian Regionalism in the Philippines. Passionate out of the rational, the regional organization or treaty, the charter based on giving them formal status in international law. This status is enhanced critically through the recognition in status according to regional organization by United Nations and other multilateral organization. Regional organization also derive legal legitimacy article ASEAN, a regional intergovernmental Philippines. The Philippines remains to be an important founding member of the ASEAN, having hosted several summits recently. The issue of the standing claims of the Professional Regulation Commission (PRC) as well several Asian Greek states to West Philippine Sea. President Rodrigo Duterte aims of peaceful and cooperative resolution of separately debacle by forging more cooperative of open ties with the PRC. Economic regionalism refers to ins- institutional argument designed to facilitate the free flow of goods, services, and coordinate foreign economic policies between countries in the same geographical region or nearby lo- locate can be viewed as conscious attempt managing the opportunities in concentrate created by the dramatic increase in international economic ties to foster economic growth and prosperity in among its member states. Regionalism in the Philippines advantage is promote the col- collaboration of of resources, skills, and efforts by local government. By working together, allow all government, large and small, many engage in more effective planning, more more efficient government help keep us taxes and fees lower. Disadvantage the potential loss each city count independence and or identify its one of the regionalism disadvantage. Educating people about their social responsibilities. Regionalism may be excessively inclusive and exclude new people, which one of its draw drawbacks. Who benefits the I, who benefits from regionalism? Number one, state, government, citizen, communities, regional organization, civil societies, international agencies, academic institutions, trade unions.